People, me can't catch a break. You believe, say, from December last year.
Me get 35 and me give them back that quick. Them have to wonder if I hope that me practice. God me say yo watch you hope that me practice. Remember say
Nation what I say about age, you're back in the building with another episode. But before we get into anything, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Watch that video and also watch the ads. Nation, Vybz Kartel doing 3 more shows before the year for done. And me know before the year for done him I gonna have 3 more.
Like locksmith, back a gal, yeah, me get my balls and me cock lick. Big up me city girls, Vicky them, Chrissy them, pretty them, titty get icky them.
Nation, amount of gal will get hickey a while ago and people get shoot at the same time. Nation, you know, tell me what to think about this. Vybz Kartel are touching at Toronto, Canada. Kartel will be performing at the OvO Festival at the Scotiabank Arena. Back to back 2 nights straight. In the streets, Canadians been waiting for Vybz Kartel to have a concert in Canada somewhere, cause a lot of people are them have to go no matter which city. When you tell me to think about this, this is 2 back-to-back big show for Vybz Kartel.
Show after show, stadium after stadium, arena after arena, weekend after weekend, weekday after week.
Because I've got this the greatest song in the background, we cannot play the whole video, but basically what Vybz Kartel is saying that he can't get no break weekend after weekend, months after months from him come out of jail, show after show, back to back, and TJ just a dig him up for come perform, give more work for do. Him can't get no break. So when you tell me to think about that, Vybz Kartel have 3 more shows before the year for done. Toronto, Canada, Vybz Kartel will be doing a back-to-back show in Toronto, Scotiabank Arena. Go check that out for ticket price and panity. Nation, when you tell me to think about this coming up, Vybz Kartel travel across the whole world, the whole globe now. I mean, world boss. No nation, we can say we have Vybz Kartel and SKILLIBENG did a song New Gear remix. Nation, did Vybz Kartel send out SKILLIBENG for take on MASICKA?
Big bang. Yo, world boss, which pussy no one see you now your new crown. Them no plane and a fly up, them get shoot down in a
nation. Nobody can tell me say SKILLIBENG now shoot shots at MASICKA and Jashig. Talk about the new crown and the whip them a world boss a buy. MASICKA is the man who mentioned about car and riches. Say him have that too. Nation, don't tell me what to think about this, because this is really lyrical. And if SKILLIBENG and MASICKA really going to war, me believe said this would be a real battle. You see me, I say SKILLIBENG is like a underdog to this, cause right now a lot of people didn't know say SKILLIBENG full of so much lyrics. Remember, SKILLIBENG already did this song and do it again with Vybz Kartel as a remix with different pattern and words. Nation, tell me what to think about this in the comment box.
in a me boot weigh 1,000 and few pounds. Step in your face, kill it, call that a new road. You don't get carried away like cruise, don't get yourself at the
Nation, SKILLIBENG and make MASICKA know say don't make yourself get carried away, my youth. You will get shoot down. You can't a bad mind man film crown, dog. You see me, I say, cause remember say you did on the Gaza side at one point. Nation, maybe me talk foolishness, but no tell me what to think in the comment box. Can SKILLIBENG take on a Crux, take on a MASICKA? Let me know in the comment box what you think about this.
cruise, don't get yourself at the panel. No.
Nation, my next question is, does Skilly write music or Skilly just sing off and top and head? Nation, this in words by writing this is crazy. What SKILLIBENG saying, it's not normal lyrics and a normal word to put together even for vibe to inner your sense of your build a track like this and put in lyrics like this. Vybz Kartel do him thing pan this. SKILLIBENG really turn out pan this song. This song show that SKILLIBENG is very lyrical and a very lyrical artist, and me don't even believe that MASICKA can even challenge SKILLIBENG at this moment. More than once, see a war between MASICKA, Alkaline or SKILLIBENG right now, because we have approached SKILLIBENG in a hit, cause this is a song here alone with SKILLIBEng do. Me no see MASICKA and Alkaline do a wickeder war track than this.
Evaporate when me shoot gun, operate, collate when me shoot.
No nation can MASICKA manage a SKILLIBEng war. No nation, we can see where one Kevin come out and say from MASICKA this Vybz Kartel him career gone down ill. Let's take a listen.
Talking, it really did look so. But when Reggae Soundfest come and we see the man forget the real king of dancehall, the now king of dancehall is respect. and pay some tribute to the king of dancehall that actually did a song with him. My dogs, them have to live. That man did not do so. That man actually make one of him look a friend them, and look a rat come on the stage and come talk about where king I go, where crown I go. And then guess what? He actually fell to the bottom of the well. And now he might try to climb back out. Everything I got wrong for him. Now what he did was go on a stage show. When I say everything is going wrong for him, he went on a stage show and when infrared rhythm come on, and the first thing he did was say, stop. That's where that. Me no want to play that again. Now you're stopping yourself from singing the biggest song you ever have in a dancehall with the big S and bad S, king of dancehall, and you are say stop that song there. Well, when at some point a lot of people were saying that you never have nothing to do with the Joshy thing when Joshy said what him said. But when you did that and said that's where that, and you put your own career in the garbage pan, that's when I know that you, Massicka, is a fool. Because you make a man who don't have a career come on stage and come try for disrespect the world boss. Do you see the tours that this man is on? Maybe if you and the world boss was good, you would have still be on that side. Let me ask you a question. The crowd of people who used to follow behind you, you know, realize you're Gaza people them? You know why Gaza people that follow behind you? Because you did a song, and not one song, but more than one song with Vybz Kartel. And that's the reason why Gaza people was following by you. But you see now, nobody now follow you. So where the people them there, where follow you? No, where the people them there, where follow you? You know, sister Gaza people them gone right back with them for be in the Gaza camp. Let me tell you this, Gaza.
Nation, let me know in the comment box what you guys think about what one Kevin saying, if he's on point or you guys disagree with what one Kevin saying. Now we can see we are fully Zionist. Gaza saying that even if Mr. Len give Vybz Kartel $2 million, him nah go a sting. Cause him know Vybz Kartel nah go a sting, cause Vybz Kartel done with Jamaica. No tell me nothing in the comment box about this. Let's take a listen.
Tell me my dog what a reasoning, and him say, yo, Sting a keeping a prince. I mean, I say, yeah. I must say, yeah. So I must say, yo, would make we go? Like how we go Freedom Street, cause him here Vybz Kartel, I go Sting. I made just stop him in his shoes right there, son. I said, listen me very keenly. I say, even if Len pay Vybz Kartel $2 million, Vybz Kartel not got Sting. Man, that's what make you say so. I say, dog, Vybz Kartel done with Jamaica. Man say, why? I said, dog, the only show Vybz Kartel would go at Jamaica, at Sunfest again, and the only show Vybz Kartel got align himself with to actually perform for the people. But where Sting is concerned, if Vybz Kartel get $2 million, Vybz Kartel, no, not at all.
So yo, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Big up everybody we are watch. Big up everybody we are share it. Is me I say, me appreciate you all. You know what I mean. Until next time, guys, we out.